Unlock the power of your data by seamlessly blending Google's AI with your spreadsheets and watch your productivity soar. Let's dive straight into how you can supercharge your Google Sheets experience with Google BARD. We'll start by accessing BARD and then connecting it to your data. First, ensure you have Google BARD access. You'll then look for an option to connect its powerful AI capabilities directly to your Google Sheets. This is typically found within BARD settings or integration options. Once you've initiated the connection, a list of your Google Sheets will appear. Simply select the spreadsheet you want to work with. This grants BARD the ability to understand and interact with your data. Now for the magic. Instead of writing complex formulas, you can simply ask BARD for what you need. For instance, if you want to see how sales have changed, just type a question in plain English, like asking for a comparison of Q2 sales against Q1 for each product. BARD will process your request and provide insights or even suggest formulas. You can then easily copy these formulas directly into your sheet or use the generated data to inform your analysis. See, with just a natural language prompt, we've generated a custom formula that calculates the sales growth, automatically populating the results. This saves immense time and reduces the chance of manual errors. But it doesn't stop there. You can automate even more. Want to summarize data by region? Just ask BARD to create a summary table. It can instantly aggregate and present your information exactly how you need it. BARD can generate pivot tables, charts based on your data trends, or even draft explanations of your findings. It's about transforming your data exploration from manual number crunching into intuitive conversation. By integrating Google BARD with Google Sheets, you're not just analyzing data. You're making it smarter, faster, and more accessible. Start experimenting today and elevate your spreadsheet game.